Wait, what? Plucking, tweezing, knots, bleaching, all of that. Doing too much. Like, I want to take it out of the box and go.
That's just how I live. Money and pretty women. Honest and fit. That's all I'm kidding. That's just how I live.
Hey y'all, it's allofdestiny, and in today's video I will be sharing with you all the most beginner friendly method, no glue, no gel, no nothing, for applying a wig at home. Mic check, 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2. Hey y'all, we are about to do some hair real quick, real simple.
And special thank you to Hairvivi for sponsoring today's video.
The packaging on this is so cute. Below are suggested tips to ensure your Hairvivi wig is ready to wear. It gives you an extremely melted appearance. Those are a lot of claims, Hairvivi. We gonna see. I should have been opened this, but I want to be out surprised and whatnot with y'all. Ooh, she is pretty. Try your wig on before you cut this tag off. I'm gonna have the specs on the screen, and voiceover Destiny is gonna do her thing, baby. Okay? No, she cute. Y'all know I've been loving color on me, so. Ooh, that matched my skin tone perfectly. Hairvivi has kind of basically done everything for us. The stocking cap is already included on the inside right here. Whenever you all have seen me do the stocking cap and all these other methods and y'all like, Destiny, that's too much. Like, I'm gonna treat this wig very beginner friendly. We don't even have to dye this wig. As you all can see, she is curled, she is styled, she is 20 inches, baby. I like to move them to the middle a little bit, especially since I'm doing this glueless. I've been trying to just really make sure my hairline is kind of taken care of as well. So if you're not new here, I do have psoriasis. Let's get into it. Look at the braid. I got my mama to braid my hair down for me, and I just kind of usually put my braids into a low ponytail. Baggy bag. Ooh. Edge brush right here included. Comb on this side. Clippy clips, additional combs, an extra elastic band right here. And y'all see like the silicone that's on the back part right here? Really nice and smooth along the hairline. Wow, that looks good. Wait, what? I don't have on a stocking cap at all. Do y'all see that? Hairvivi! Elegant and effortless, I know that's right. So the stocking cap is already added for us. No concealer, no powder, no taking the brush and putting all that foundation on it. I'm gonna move it just a little bit in the center right here. And this comb is removable as well. So if you would not want to do a glueless method like what I'm about to do, you can remove this comb if you would like. This comes in handy. Love this for when I'm doing like a glueless method with the wigs and then just moving these adjustable straps in. Because I know a lot of times people like, is it really secure if it's glueless? Can somebody just take it off my head? But no, your wig's not gonna come out just because the wind blowing. Don't worry about my edges in the back. Then I'm going to grab the comb and I tuck it up and push. And that's down and secure. Now I come to the front and I'm going to position it right where I want her. So double check everything with your hairline before you cut the lace off. But I know I'm about to wear my wig, so we're going to go ahead and clip this back.
And this wig also has the pre-plucked hairline and clean bleached knots.
And y'all can see, you can barely see this lace. That's how well it's blended into my skin. So the one I got is in Cappuccino, and when you choose your wig, you could definitely choose the cap option that's gonna fit you best. Also, if you're not into cutting the lace off with it on your head, you can just take it off and hold it in your hand. That way you can get as close as you want. Just like to grab the wig. It's like sometimes your wig could be rolled up if you don't make sure that you're exposing the very end portions of your lace. Cappuccino is perfect on me. That looks so good. Wow. You really get what you pay for. You really do. It tends to look a little square on me right there when I do a middle part. Straight out of the box, they did a really good job on curling the hair. No, because look at this curl. Wait. It's the curl for me. I love the highlights because I'm not okay with dyeing my own natural hair. So being able to just rock a cute look like this, press this out just a little bit right here. And the parting space goes back really far too. I want to say this is a 13 by 6, but I'm going to double check and put it on the screen.
Actually, it's a 13 by 6.5, y'all. So that's the largest lace size and the maximum true hairline.
This is just a foaming mousse, so it's not any gel, any spray, glue, none of that. So what I'm going to use that to do basically for the no baby hair look, really just brushing all of the hair straight back. I'm making sure that my hair is brushed back right here as well too. My hair, my little temples, I really have to make sure that I pull it forward right there. And I just hold it while I'm brushing it back since we didn't glue it down. Oh, we up close and personal with it. Put a little bit more of a curl just in that front part where I pressed it at. And this is my new me curling wand. I'm going in a backwards direction. Y'all know I like my curls in the front to really frame my face. Let's see what we got. Ooh. Just like that, and I'm done. The highlights, the lowlights, everything about this looks really good. I love this wig. Glueless, baby. You see that? Yeah. See that? Yeah. If you don't believe me, hold on. Yeah. Now you can add baby hair and everything if you would like. I'm trying to keep this as beginner friendly as possible. Someone at home who may want to do their wig and it's like, okay, Destiny, I'm not doing baby hair. I'm not doing the stocking cap method. I'm not trying to glue my wig down, but I am trying to wear a wig. You have options at home and your hair will still look really amazing. Method, glue, 3 layers, gel, powder, put the foundation on your stocking cap so it can blend, all of that. You might just want to take your wig out of the box and put it on, especially when you spend your money on it. It's just like, or somebody else's money on it. You better text Bae and be like, I want this. Babe, I need this wig. Straight out of the box, this looks amazing. I love that I did not have to do the color myself and I get to wear color hair because I'm not dyeing my natural hair. I'm not, but I might want to be blonde. I might want to be brown with a little highlights, a little streak situation. Look at this. Straight out of the box, we have curls. If I'm trying to head out the door, text me for a date, I'm ready. It don't need to take all day. Like, the middle part is growing on me. I'm gonna keep the middle part for a while since that's how it came. Y'all know I'm a side part kind of girl. Hairvivi did such a good job with this. On the color, on the curl, on the ends being blunt and full all the way down. Astrid, her name is Astrid and we love Astrid for the weekend. New week, new hair, baby. New week, new hair. Y'all know I get to feeling myself. And she's glueless. To the left, to the right. Move, let me stop. I get excited when I get my hair done. You can move the part wherever you would like and it still looks amazing. Just like that. Obviously when you flip the hair over though, just because I pressed it down the middle, I would just have to do the pressing comb. Concealer on the part, doing too much. Foundation on your stocking cap, doing too much. Plucking, tweezing, knots, bleaching, all of that, doing too much. Like, I want to take it out of the box and go. Cut off the lace and go. Let me stop because y'all get the point. I don't have to sell this hair to you. It's selling itself. There we go. Shaping it to the face. That's what we like. Hairvivi. Hairvivi. I love this. It's so light, so flowy. I like it like this. Oh my god, I feel like I just went to get my hair done. No, I just finished getting my hair done. What you doing? Oh, you want to go where? You want to go out? How soon can I be ready? I mean, I prefer to be told, you know, in advance, but let me stop. I'm ready. So that's pretty much it for today's video. Again, special thank you to Hairvivi for sponsoring today's video. When I say I don't like to glue my wig down and I want to just take it off at the end of the night, stay tuned to the end. I'm going to show you out exactly how I do that at the end of the night. Pick her right back up, put it on in the morning, and I don't have to sleep in my wig if I don't want to. All of the specs on this wig will be in the description box down below, as well as any coupon codes. They do have other lace colors available as well if you don't think that the cappuccino lace will fit you. If we're not probably the same skin tone, but obviously for preserving the curls overnight, I will probably just put about 4 flexi rods, 2 in the front, 2 in the back. Again, special thank you to Hairvivi for sponsoring today's video, and as always, I thank you all so much for watching. Bye. And at the end of the day, my favorite part. Good night.
That's just how I'm living. Money and pretty women. Honey and fit.